Hey guys, welcome back to the Salesforce tutorials YouTube video channel. In this video I'm going to show how to create custom fields in the Salesforce org. Yes, let's get started.
Alright guys, let me log into my Salesforce organization here. In this demo I will be creating two custom fields, like one is text field and another one is number field. Yeah, so if you click on this setting button and you can set up, go to the object manager and go to the case. In the case you can see the fields and relationship here. Click on the fields and relationship and here you will have a new button. Click on the new button here. Yeah, scroll down. So as part of this demo I will be creating only two fields. So first one is the text field. Yeah, scroll down here and you can notice here text. Choose the text and click on the next button here, the bottom. You can see the field label. For example, I will say like issue length. I will give around 50. Description is not required. And if you want to make it as a required, you can click this checkbox, and yeah, you can leave it as it is, and you can find the next button here. So just click on the next button. This is field level security, like we are not bothered about this as part of this demo. Again, click the next button and yeah, you can see here what are the layouts are available. So the new field which we are going to add now will be automatically added to all these layouts, and yeah, you can click on the save and new button here. Okay, this time we will select the data type as a number, and yeah, click on the next button here. Uh, yeah, number of missions impacted, and I will write it as a 5. The length of the field here, click on the next button, and these are the profiles which are not required to change it now, and again the next button. You can see that this new field will be added to the all the layouts which are mentioned here, and click on the save button here. Yeah, that's it. And you can see our new fields are number of missions impacted, and another field which we have created is issue. You can see here. Okay, let's just verify the fields which are added now in the case object. I'll be navigated back to the service console here. I will just open the case object, and if you see the details section, you can find yes, the issue and the number of missions impacted. You can enter 10, and issue is issue with the motherboard. You can save this. Yeah, got saved.
Alright, you have seen the steps to create custom fields in the Salesforce org. If you have any questions around this topic, please shoot your questions in the comment section. And yeah, if you want to receive the latest updates on the Salesforce related videos from my channel, just consider subscribing to my channel.